are wrapping my wing in gloss black. It's not sponsored. We've got the hairdryer, but I don't think we'll actually need it that much. I just dropped this on the floor. We're hoping this is going to be fairly easy. What's your verdict, Matt?
Don't see why it wouldn't be. The only difficult bit will be where the black plastic, which is now white, yeah.
Yeah, because obviously this car.
But as long as you're careful with your knife.
Yeah, just because this Mini is colour coded. On a standard Mini, they'd be black. So to be honest, it doesn't really matter if you colour it or not.
Look at the gap sizes everywhere else. Like it's big enough to fit a squeegee in easily.
Yeah, easy down there, across there. So, and the worst thing is we're wrapping this, so I don't actually know if I'm gonna like it or not. We've just got some really cheap wrap. We don't really do expensive. So yeah, hopefully it all goes to plan. It would just help if my car wasn't as dirty as it is now, because it's probably actually the dirtiest it's been. So I have not cleaned it at all. Right. So now this isn't fancy wrap. This is literally just eBay. I think it was buy two get one free, wasn't it?
No, I don't know.
And it's obviously gloss black. This is 1 metre by.
Jeez. Someone needs to sort their auxiliary belt out. Christ.
I can't even see what that is.
Tighten your tensioner up a bit. Tuck that wire in though, because otherwise that's just going to get in the way.
Yeah, I don't want to lose it.
Oh, no, but you can clearly see where it is. Look, you've got the new door handles.
Oh yeah.
They look really matte on here.
Yeah.
Just put a bit.
I don't know whether I'm going to gloss them up a bit.
But
then again, part of me just try to. It's not. They are getting a bit dirty as well. They're scratched already. But I like them. They're better than the chrome.
Oh,
so.
what other thing you've got new?
Oh yeah, my new spots.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Katie decides to get spotlights, and in result, her poor dad has to go and buy a new drill. Because look at that, I'm right in. In the pikey corner, that's where that's gone.
Can I just say, his drill was already broken before. I'm not going to cut it because it's doing my engine already. So, we're just going to go straight in. Can I just say, I've never actually wrapped something properly because Matt does all the wrapping.
Because I'm the professional here.
And all the tinting.
Oh, shut up.
What is
It's
that?
insane.
That is really bad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
Because I am classing myself as a semi-professional rapper.
To be honest, Matt, you are really good and I think you should go into it.
That's a little job opening there, a little application. Oh, it was a Mazda.
Oh, did that just come out of that house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know who he is. He's probably not looked after at all.
Probably not.
Well.
Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance.
Okay, it's there. It's just trying to make sure I'm getting on the right line as well. Because that is all irrelevant. That line's going to really bug me.
You might have to lift that up if it hasn't actually creased it.
I think I'll have to cut this bit to get a bit of like stretch on it. We're using eBay wrap and like, are these eBay tools? Are these eBay tools?
Yes. You look so deadly with that knife.
I'm fine. It's all good. Is that my dad back?
Oh, there's my stuff.
No, coming up here. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, looks good with stuff.
Do you reckon it will look good?
Yeah, it's got black in it. Just that bit and that got white going back in it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I put it on my Instagram and we got such a mixed response, and Broke Boys said do it, so.
But at the end of the day, it's your car, it's nobody else's.
That's what I said.
No, well, it's your personal taste, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, like my lights did.
Wrap the wheels, see how good you are.
You can't wrap wheels.
You can,
Just.
technically.
You can't be fucky, you have to be fucky the bollocks.
I'm not too fussed about that
Hmm.
because the indicator thing will be in there. Should have trimmed it down a bit more. But
Yeah.
I didn't want to cut it short.
It's giving enough heat to bend round anyway, won't it?
Yeah, that's gone now.
Someone's going in it for the heat.
That's postman. Which end was this end first,
Yeah.
wasn't it? So everything on a Mini you just have to like
Hit.
hit. There we go.
I
A
quite
bit
like
di-
it with the white, to be honest.
Yeah, it's a bit different, isn't it?
Oh, you've got to leave it white. So
Yeah,
you know,
otherwise.
it needs to stand out of one, then it's covered in black.
But then I'll get clear ones of these.
Yeah.
Clear with
I think
smoke.
tinted.
Yeah.
Tinted would look better than clear.
Go that way? Ah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it kind of looks a bit silly with the orange,
Yeah.
but right, I'm gonna do the cutting bits that I know I can do.
Baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. Yeah, so we hit the dance floor. Body on mine, want a little bit more. Shawty, you fine, build a little rapport. And we lose track of time, we don't care anymore. Yeah, feel the beat right now. Dance all alone in the middle of a crowd. Drinking alcohol like we in another drought. Like LMFAO, taking shots right now.
Me and Matt realised that this bit was the hardest bit to do. So as I was cutting down there, he was pushing on this bit to create more of a gap. And then when we cut it, I thought we'd cut it too short. But Matt actually just slotted this bit almost back into where it should be. And it's fine.
Because Matt's got good brains.
So next thing to do is definitely to get rid of these. Change these to be honest, it's easier to buy the clear ones though, so much buy the clear ones to smoke them
Spray
myself.
'em. Or just get a bit of wrap, to be
Yeah.
honest. It's not like it's a hard shape.
No. But yeah, that's how you do it.
Very clever idea of mine, wasn't it, Katie?
Yeah, it's a little bit short there, but from a distance you
Yeah.
can't tell because it's white.
Hmm.
I feel like if this was black, as in like the plastic black, and the car was like, I don't know, red,
Yeah, you'd
then
notice it.
that would be shit. But yeah, ta-da!
Look.
Very well done.